So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love. Think about it every time I think about it. Can't stop thinking about it. How much longer will it take to cure this? Just to cure it, cause I can't ignore it. If it's love, makes me wanna turn around and face it, but I don't know nothing about love. Come on, come on, spin a little tighter. Come on, come on, the world's a little brighter. Come on, come on, just get yourself inside there. Love